Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll learn how to restrict bill printing in modify mode. To enable this restriction, go to the Logic folder and open Logic Admin. Then, click on Global Settings and navigate to Sales Settings 2. Here, you'll find an option labeled Do not allow bill printing in modify mode. Check this option and save the settings. After that, restart the software to apply the changes. Now, let's see how it works. Modify a sale bill and click on the print option. As you can see, the software displays a message saying, Printing not allowed in modify mode, use continuous printing instead. This means direct printing is disabled while modifying a bill, but the user can still print the voucher using the continuous printing option.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.